Let me ask you this. Are you tired of staring at that lackluster lawn and dreaming of a sweet escape? Then I would say you've come to the right place. Yes, you're about to discover the secrets of turning your dull backyard into the envy of the entire neighborhood. We're not just going to be talking about those boring DIY projects. This is going to be different. So you better make sure you don't miss out on today's episode. Number 1. Wooden structures. First off, there's something so satisfying about creating something with your own two hands. The feeling of satisfaction you get when you finish a project is like no other. And when it comes to building with wood, the possibilities are endless. You can create anything from a simple planter box to a full-on outdoor lounge area. And the best part, you can design your project to fit your personal style and needs. But building with wood isn't just about the end product. It's about the process too. There's a certain level of satisfaction you get from measuring, cutting, sanding, and nailing the pieces together. And let's not forget the smell of fresh cut wood. It's like aromatherapy for DIYers. Plus, I would say it's a great way to get outside and enjoy some fresh air and sunshine. Now, if you don't have any woodworking skills, well, don't worry guys. Building with wood is a great way to learn new skills. And trust me, once you get the kick of it, you'll be amazed what you can create. But let's talk about some specific projects you can tackle in your backyard. How about a wooden garden bed? Not only is it a great way to grow your own vegetables, but it also adds a touch of rustic charm to your backyard. Or how about a wooden bench? It's the best spot to sit and enjoy the sunshine. And if you're feeling really ambitious, why not try and build a pergola or a deck? It's a great way to add some extra outdoor living space to your home. And let's not forget about the cost saving. Building with wood is often a more cost-effective option than buying pre-made outdoor furniture or structures. Plus, you get the added bonus of knowing that you created something with your own hands. Number 2. Building a secret hideout. Imagine this, a secret hideout snuggled in your backyard. Whether you're a kid or a kid at heart, there's something undeniably magical about having a hidden space of your own. It's like having your own personal Batcave or a secret headquarters where you can plan your next adventure. Thinking about where to start? Well, first things first, let's talk about the location. Choose a spot in your backyard that feels secluded and tucked away, like a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. It could be nestled among the trees, tucked behind a bush, or even benefit a beautiful old oak. Just make sure it's a spot that ignites a sense of adventure and curiosity. Now that we have the perfect spot, it's time to unleash your inner architect. Think about the design and structure of your secret hideout. Will it be a cozy treehouse perched high above the ground, a hidden cave caved into the hillside, or a rustic fort made of recycled materials? The choices are endless, and it all lies in your creativity and personal style. But hey, don't worry if you're not a seasoned builder. It's a DIY project, guys. It's all about learning and having fun along the way. You can start with simple materials like wood, nails, and paint. Just remember to measure twice and cut once, unless you want your secret hideaway to be a wobbly leaning Tower of Pisa. Now, let's add some exciting features to your secret hideout. How about a secret door that slides open with a hidden mechanism? Or maybe a trap door that leads to a hidden tunnel? You can even install a periscope for some spy-worthy surveillance. Imagine spending those lazy afternoons in your secret hideout, surrounded by cozy cushions and blankets with your favorite book in hand. Or invite your friends over for an epic hide-and-seek adventure, where every nook and cranny becomes a new discovery. Trust me, there'll be a ton of people who envy you. Number 3. Fireplace. Imagine a starry night, a gentle breeze rustling through the trees, and the sound of laughter filling the air. With an outdoor fireplace, you can stretch those cozy winter nights and create memories that will warm your heart for years to come. Whether you're roasting marshmallows with the kids, sipping hot coffee with your loved ones, or simply enjoying a peaceful moment alone, a fireplace adds that extra touch of magic to your backyard. You'll feel like you're on a luxurious vacation without ever having to leave your home. But wait, it gets better. Alongside that magnificent fireplace, imagine a charming dining area. The days of stuffy indoor dinner parties are long gone. It's time to take your culinary adventures outside. Imagine gathering your friends and family around a beautifully crafted table, sharing delicious food and endless laughter under the stars. It's the perfect setting for those summer barbecues, Sunday brunches, and lazy afternoon picnics. Plus, you'll never have to worry about cramped spaces or a lack of fresh air. It's like having a private restaurant right in your backyard. Now, how do you begin building this magical outdoor heaven? Well, here we are, right? You see, you can customize your fireplace and dining area to suit your personal style and preferences. From rustic stone fireplaces to sleek modern designs, the possibilities are endless, and there's no particular style to it. Number 2. DIY swimming pool. First off, it's a game changer for those scorching summer days. Instead of searching for the nearest public pool or begging your neighbors to borrow theirs, you'll have your very own personal oasis right at home. No more battling for the best spots or worrying about crowded swimming pools. It's all yours. But hold on, here's where the fun really starts. When you build your own pool, you can customize it to your heart's content. Want a sleek and modern design? Go for it. How about a tropical paradise complete with a waterfall? You got it. The possibilities are endless, and it's a chance to let your creativity run wild. Plus, think of the bragging rights when you have your friends over for a pool party. Isn't that impressive? Now, building a pool might sound like a hell of a lot of work, but it's not like that actually. While it does require some effort, it's not as daunting as it seems. And to make things even better, building a DIY swimming pool can save you a ton of money compared to hiring a professional. You'll have extra cash left over to splurge on those funky pool floats, colourful umbrellas, and maybe even a tiki bar. Just imagine the endless summer memories you'll create with your loved ones, all thanks to your DIY masterpiece. Finally, we have number 1. Turn your backyard into an outdoor cinema. Surprised? Have you ever dreamt of having your own personal cinema right in your backyard? Well, it's going to turn true soon. You see, creating your very own backyard cinema doesn't have to be a daunting task. In fact, it's surprisingly simple. Here's a rundown of the essentials you'll need to get started. First of all, you'll need a big screen. Whether you go for a projector screen, a white bedsheet, or even a blank wall, the key is to have a large flat surface that can serve as your canvas for cinematic adventures. Just make sure it's positioned in a way that provides optimal viewing for everyone. Next, you need projector power. The heart and soul of your outdoor cinema setup. Investing in a good quality projector will ensure sharp, vibrant visuals that truly bring your movies to life. Don't worry, it doesn't have to break the bank. Next, you'll need crystal clear audio. What's a movie without great sound? Hook up some speakers or even a surround sound system to take your outdoor cinema experience to the next level. Finally, comfort is key. Let's face it, nobody enjoys sitting on uncomfortable chairs for 2 hours straight. Deck out your backyard with cozy seating options such as beanbags, lounge chairs, or even giant floor cushions. Alright guys, that's 5 amazing backyard DIY ideas. You can build yourself in your backyard, so do make sure you try them and drop your views in the comments section below. Anyway, see you guys in another episode. Until then, goodbye.